Here is a statement regarding a winter storm watch for the following counties in Wisconsin: Columbia, Dane, Dodge, Greene, Iowa, Jefferson, Lafayette, Rock, and Sauk. Winter storm watch in effect from Tuesday morning through late Tuesday night. What? Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 11 inches possible. Winds could gust as high as 35 miles an hour. Where? Portions of eastCentral, southCentral, and southeast Wisconsin. When? From Tuesday morning through late Tuesday night. Impacts: travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning and evening commute. Additional details: snow will begin Monday evening, but the most impactful period of accumulating snow is expected during the day Tuesday into Tuesday night. Monitor the latest forecast for updates on this situation. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.